Hey everyone, this is going to be a different video. It's not about yarn, it's going to be about sewing. And I'm going to be sewing a dice bag, a miniature dice bag. It's just going to be a regular little dice bag. It's easy to make, anybody can do it. All you need is fabric, scissors, and ribbon or string. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment, like the video for more content and for me to get out there, please. Okay, and see you in the video. Okay, so first, what I'm going to do is cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 10. So you have your 5 by 10 rectangle. You're gonna fold it in half. You'll need 2 holes on each side. So don't cut it on the fold. Cut it in the middle. But you'll need to measure out the yarn. I mean the ring, the ribbon. So make sure this is also accurate. So fold it a little further down. Fold it around there. We're going to make an incision, not on the crease, but next to the crease, making sure you give a lot of room so it doesn't connect. You're going to open it up, and you see the 2 holes. Then you're going to feed it through, the right side facing the right side. Then this side, you're going to feed it through this way. Oops. It's going to come out this way. Then you're going to grab the other end. You're going to feed it through this way. Then you'll have to sew. You can't just pull it that way. You're going to have to sew it like this so that it's in the in the So you will fold, have fed through both sides. So this one's facing downwards, this one's facing this way. Then you will fold. Make sure it's not, make sure it's not catching on to the other side. Oh man, I just messed it up. And there it is. You turn it inside out. Oh. You turn it inside out, and then it's done. Okay, don't forget to tie in the ends and enjoy.